All right, my friends, so I'm just gonna give you a little update on the bracket installation. I went ahead and did pretty much all holes except the one on the bottom, because that one. So let me tell you briefly what happened here. I took it to a shop to get it repaired, do the service on the engine and the outboard, and I told the shop if they could help me install the bracket for the auxiliary engine only, you know, with the fuel lines and all that stuff. And they're like, oh sure, let me get you some prices. And it came out that he was gonna charge me like almost $2,000 for it, and I'm like, cool, you know. I went ahead and agreed with it, but then I thought about it, like, wait a minute, I'm gonna pay for something that I could do myself. That I was like, you know what, it's the only thing I needed, my little tools. And I had the bracket. That was just the installation. I had the engine. They weren't gonna do nothing, just the install. So I was like, you know what? I called them like 2 hours later. Said, look, you know what? Don't even worry about it. Just focus on the maintenance on this engine, and I'll take care of this one later on when I get it serviced. But I like the fact that they were gonna put it way over here. He marked it with a pencil way out here. So. And then he was gonna lower it down and make like a weird bracket here in the bottom, so it could go below the water line. But the water line is actually right about here, right here underneath this. The day I went on Saturday, take a spin to try it out and get the water line. So it was right about here. So this is where my pickup's at. See, so I'm perfect. Anyways, there was no need for. I didn't like the fact he was gonna do like a special bracket and all this weird stuff on the bottom. It's custom made. That's why he said he was charging more. And I get it. It's a business. You gotta make some money. But why pay for something I could do myself, man? I'm an engineer, so I do a lot of things for HVAC. Anyways, so here it is. I'm definitely gonna put like some hooks or something here, one here and one over here, so when I put the engine up, I could strap it with something so it doesn't look tacky, having lines all over and all the way in the bottom here. I want it to look nice and safe, because it might look nice if I'm driving. If I'm parked right now, but if I'm driving, it might shake. So let me just show you real quick. So right now, just go up. There it is. Bam. I could tilt it to look nice later on. It's parked, but let's try it again. You gotta push up. See that? The hook. There you go. Just lock it. That's it. Now let's try it up here. Go ahead and put raise. There it is. So once you hit the water, put that thing down, you pick it up, and it drops right. So just lock it. So this thing right here it comes in handy. You can pick it up from here, but then I have to lock these. These you wanna get something to lock these so they won't move. And like that way you can just turn it on, control. I want it for emergency. But anyways, here that's how I did it. I was looking for a fiberglass or something, like a thicker piece of metal, but I didn't find nothing, and I didn't have much time. So I just got a 3-ply wood and some stainless steel screws. Tie them up. On the bottom I'm missing 1, 2, because the screws, that area was a little bit more tighter, so I just put caulking on them and that was it. But yeah, so this is it. The only thing I'm gonna do now is I can't complete the job because I need to tap into the fuel line with this. By the way, these are the tools that I used. That's it. Drill. So this is gonna go right over here. Oh, and the guy was charging me for all this stuff too, and I forgot I had all this in my storage. I had all this stuff. So this is like 50 bucks, 60 bucks. You put it in. Make sure you hear a clicking sound. Oh, I have gasoline actually. Something like that. And then this here, I'm just gonna put it in here. And I'll put I already ordered the part on eBay. 3/8 brass shut-off valve, 3-way. So you're gonna go. Let's say one feet this line, so that way I don't interfere with this engine. This is the main one. And I just shut the valve, so that way there's no power over here or any gas. But yep, anybody got questions, let me know.